Find the best reciprocating saws for fast cutting, demolition, remodeling, pruning, and other demanding projects. These top picks offer powerful motors, variable speed control, tool-free blade changes, and cordless convenience for cutting through wood, metal, PVC, and more. Starting at number 1, Makita JR305UT Recipro Saw. The Makita JR305UT11 Amp Recipro Saw is a powerful corded reciprocating saw designed for demanding cutting tasks in construction, remodeling, plumbing, electrical work, and general demolition. Its 11-amp motor delivers variable speeds from 0 to 10,800 strokes per minute, while the long 118-inch stroke helps provide efficient cutting performance. The tool features a tool-less blade change and shoe adjustment, a built-in dust blower for improved visibility, a soft grip handle for comfort, and a well-balanced 7.3-pound design that helps reduce fatigue during extended use. The JR305T has been discontinued by Makita and replaced by the JR3051T. Number 2. Makita XRJ08Z Recipro Saw. The Makita XRJ08Z 18V LXT brushless, cordless, compact one-handed Recipro Saw is a lightweight and versatile cutting tool designed for tight spaces, overhead applications, and a wide range of cutting tasks. Its brushless motor delivers variable speeds from 0 to 300 strokes per minute with a 7-8-inch stroke length, while the compact 14 to 3-8-inch design and one-handed grip make it easy to maneuver. A counterweight mechanism helps reduce vibration, and the saw also features spring-assisted keyless blade ejection, a tool-less blade change system, built-in LED light, rubberized soft grip, pivoting shoe, and XPT dust and water resistance. The tool-only model weighs 4 pounds without a battery, with the 18V LXT battery and charger sold separately. Number 3. WORX Cordless Reciprocating Saw. The WORX Axis 2020V 2-in-1 cordless saw combines the functions of a reciprocating saw and a jigsaw in one compact, lightweight tool, making it suitable for a variety of DIY and home improvement projects. It features a 3/4-inch stroke length, variable speed up to 3,000 RPM, a pivoting head, tool-free blade changes, and a built-in LED light and blower to improve visibility while cutting. The saw comes with 4 blades for different materials, including wood, metal, and aluminum, and can cut materials such as wood, PVC, steel, and aluminum depending on the blade and mode used. This tool-only version weighs about 3.3 pounds without the battery, with the battery and charger sold separately. Number 4. Craftsman CMCS300B Reciprocating Saw. The Craftsman V20 CMCS300B cordless reciprocating saw is a versatile tool designed for cutting, remodeling, demolition, and other DIY applications. Its high-performance motor delivers up to 3,000 RPM, while the 1-inch stroke length helps provide fast cutting performance. A variable speed trigger offers better control, and the tool-free blade release allows quick and easy blade changes. Its compact 14.5-inch design and contoured over-molded handle make it easier to maneuver in tight spaces and help reduce fatigue during use. This bare tool model includes a 6-inch reciprocating blade, while the V20 battery and charger are sold separately. Number 5. SEESII Reciprocating Saw. The SEESII Cordless Reciprocating Saw is a compact and versatile cutting tool designed for DIY projects, home improvement, pruning, and general cutting tasks. Its brushless motor delivers variable speeds up to 3,500 RPM, while the cordless design is powered by 2 4.0A rechargeable batteries for extended operation. The saw includes 6 interchangeable blades for cutting materials such as wood, PVC, metal, and branches, along with a 15mm stroke length for efficient cutting. Additional features include tool-free blade changes, a built-in LED light for improved visibility in dim areas, and a compact, lightweight design for easier handling.